After 130 kilometers, we're approaching the dramatic Columbia Icefields. And I'm guessing this is the Athabasca Glacier to our left. The previous day we managed to pre-book a tour for the Columbia Icefields at 4 p.m. But it's only 2:30, so we'll try and get an earlier one. The Columbia Icefield is the largest in North America, south of the Arctic. It's also the largest icefield in the Canadian Rockies, covering 89 square miles, 17 miles long, and has a depth of 365 meters. Wow! Nigel Mountain, named after Nigel Vavasseur, which I think is how you pronounce it, who was a packer on a climb with two others, and they, on his behalf, named it Nigel in 1898. We're in luck as we managed to get on a 3 o'clock tour. So we join the queue and get ready to board the bus, taking us down to where we transition into one of those huge wheeled Ice Explorer buses. Check out those massive tyres.
So we see it as blue. But there we go, we can see Athabasca Glacier and all shelves and then make its way down. Great. But it actually protects it from the element, so if you whip on your right, so it'll just come together and deposit. It's natural, it happens on the glaciers. And we don't want you to fall down now, because if you fall down, parks will only come get you.
And charge you a fortune for being an idiot by going off-piste. Most of us get asked to take pics of each other as we wander around the ice, keeping within the boundary lines. Wow, it's quite a thrill to be here at last. Beyond the boundary lines can be seen several crevasses. You think I'd gone down a crevasse?
Well, no, I was waiting to get a picture of the bus after everyone had got off, you see.
Yes, a very refreshing drink, and it doesn't get much fresher than this. Certainly cool here, and dope if you're a local. Yes, it's a tad slippery at times, and the breeze is chilly, to be expected. Are you shooting me?
What's the holes?
What hole? She's obviously concerned about her husband's sanity, but sadly, it's a bit too late for that now. I guess we've been here around 30 minutes, so it's back to our bus for a ride over to the Sky Bridge. Out on the ice with a guide, would have loved to have done that too.
Athabasca, and there's been a lot of different names that are very overgrown.
With a 30% hill, you're hoping the brakes won't fail. A few minutes later, and we're on a regular bus to visit the Skywalk experience. Loads of info here regarding geology, hydrology, biology, and any other ology. And once again, amazing views of the incredible scenery. The Skywalk overhangs the valley, 280 metres above it. So that was a great experience as we relaxed over a coffee, taking in the most spectacular cafe view ever. We have 100k to go to Jasper, which should take around a couple of hours. I really recommend doing this trip over at least 2 days, or more. Yep, one of the most spectacular drives in the world.